9 divided by 9 gives us 1. And again here we have 9 divided by 9. So 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it is wrong. So first this division, 9 divided by 9, which equals 1. So 1 divided by 9 and again divided by 9. Now we have to do this division. 1 divided by 9 can be written as 1 over 9 and divided by 9. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 1 over 9 times 1 over 9, which equals 1 over 9 times 9 gives us 81. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1 over 81.